Hello student, hello student, let's unlock Ijmb 2024. In this 2025,
I have come up with an amazing package known as the Ijmb Study Pack 2025. Inside the study pack, we have amazing and interesting materials that will level you up for your upcoming examination, ranging from the AZ IUPAC nomenclature, a complete guide that will get you stand out when attempting organic chemistry. I have interesting past questions ranging from 2021, 2023 down to 2025 to 2024, and series of question and answer completely solved and explained level up to meet up your demand for 2025. Ijmb 2024 question, chemistry, physics, biology completely solved with full explanation to meet your requirement. It's a study pack. Also have past questions for you, series of past questions, and best, my note is made available for you, self-explanatory on mechanics ranging from measurement and dimension, motion, projectile motion, circular motion, momentum, work power and energy, gravitational field, elasticity, surface tension, fluid motion, vibrations and wave, Doppler effect. You will not love to miss out this amazing opportunity. So I encourage you to subscribe, check the description, and reach out to me to get your Ijmb 2025 study pack. Hello student. To keep it a quick one and simple, like this is the new method so that I can be able to reach out to many questions as possible. So this is chemistry paper 1, and I will be answering question 1. Classify each of the following statements as true or false. And electropositivity of an element is inversely proportional to its electronegativity. Signal we get, these are the questions we'll be answering. And let's look at the new method. Okay, this is the Ijmb 2024 pack, and in this pack I have answered every question as you could see, and I had took my time to explain with the answer. So electropositivity of an element is inversely proportional to its electronegativity. True. Electropositivity refers to an element ability to donate electron. So it is the reason why I encourage students to get this pack, as you've seen in the advert. It's because it's self-explanatory. It gives you an understanding, and it also gives you the answer that you are looking for. So look at question 2, the B part. The answer is false. They have been thought of sigma bond and pi bond, and we know that pi is the weak bond, sigma bond is the strong bond, and it cannot be laterally overlapped. You get? So look at the C part of the answer. Reaction occurring in a vacuum flask is an example of an isolated system. True. A system that is closed is an isolated system. Then metals have a sonorous property. True. Metals are sonorous, meaning they produce ringing sound when struck. Then look at E. There are no intermolecular force of attraction between real gas molecules. False. Real gas molecules do experience intermolecular force, unlike ideal gas molecules, which are assumed to have no intermolecular forces. Now, there's what we call real gas, there's what we call ideal gas. A real gas is an imaginary gas, while an ideal gas is something like existing. The gas that existing, you can really know that this one it's in use, but a real gas is an imaginary gas. That's what I want to let you know. And also, please subscribe. You can easily reach out to me. Check the description below. You subscribe, reach out to me, and get your Ijmb 2024 pack. In it, it's complete 2024 question and answer, and Lots as you've seen. Remain blessed.